Hello everyone and welcome to another clip from Samurai Maths. I'm Miss S and joining me here is
Mr. H. Hello, hello.
Today we're looking at another forming algebraic expressions Edexcel GCSE past paper question.
Yeah, we've done one before. We've made a video. We recognise that it is something that can be quite challenging at times. So here's another one.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So let's read the question first. Sir, would you do the honours?
Yeah. So the diagram shows shape A. All the measurements are in centimetres, and we can see them around the edges of our shape. Find an expression in terms of x for the area in centimetres squared of shape A. You must simplify your answer.
So what's the plan, sir? Because there is always a plan.
There is always a plan. So looking at the shape, it's first of all asking us to work out the area. And this is no single shape. We would call this a compound shape, Miss, isn't it? Yeah?
Yes.
So explain to us what a compound shape is, please, Miss.
A compound shape is a shape that is made out of sticking together two or more shapes.
Yeah, so essentially we can split this up into familiar shapes that we can work out the area of. So do you want to demonstrate how we can split the shape?
So we can go one of two ways. One of two ways?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. I'm going to go across personally. So I'm going to go like this. Would you have a guess, sir? Why did I do that?
So when we look at the length and width of both rectangles that you formed, we actually have them. So we have the dimensions of the length and width for the top rectangle and also for the bottom rectangle. If we were to split it vertically, we would have to work out some missing lengths.
Absolutely.
And so that would be a lot more work. So even though you have a choice, always good to try and have a look and ascertain and see what the easiest choice is.
So let's make a start, shall we?
Yep.
So the plan for this, because there's always a plan, I'm going to work out the area of rectangle. I'm going to call this one 1 and this one 2. So I'm going to work out the area of both rectangles and add them together. And that's going to give me the area of shape A. So let's make a start. The area of rectangle 1. So would you help me with the base?
So the base is x plus 2 of rectangle 1.
And I'm going to multiply that by the height.
X plus 1. And why have you used the double bracket, Miss?
Because we're multiplying by more than one term.
Yeah, and we explained that a little bit more in the previous video where we had to do a similar thing.
So let me expand this. And you were making fun of me a little bit earlier because I was doing it like this, as any normal student and or teacher should do. So I'm going to do everything in the first bracket times everything in the second bracket. I'm going to start with x times x squared, and then x times 1, positive x. I'm not too fussed about the signs, and I'm flying through them because the whole expression is positive.
Yep.
So I'm finished with the multiplying by the x. Now I'm going to multiply by 2. So 2 times x, 2x, and 2 times 1, 2. I'm going to collect like terms. And here, if you multiply it like this, the terms in the middle always simplify together. So I'm keeping my x squared. X plus 2x is 3x. And then let's add the 2. So the final expression for my shape, for my first shape, is x squared plus 3x plus 2.
Nice.
Let's have a look at, thank you very much. Let's have a look at shape 2, so at rectangle 2. So would you help me with the base?
The base is 2x plus 2.
And what about the height?
Height is x.
And the height is x. And again, can you guys see? Because this is a two-term expression, I'm going to put brackets around it because it needs to multiply completely by the x. And let's do a little bit of single bracket expansion. So we're going to do x times 2x, 2x squared, and then x times 2, 2x. And I'm done. And that is my A2.
So let's go back to the plan.
The plan was, that's a good idea to always revisit the plan, check have you answered the question. I haven't worked out the total area of shape A. Because now I need to do the area of shape 1 plus the area of shape 2. So the area of shape 1, I'm just going to copy it down as x squared plus 3x plus 2. The area of shape 2 is 2x squared plus 2x. I'm going to collect some like terms. So x squared plus 2x squared, again, because everything is positive, I'm not very worried about the signs. I'm just going to speed through it. So that's going to give me 3x squared. Let's do the x terms together. It's those two. 3x plus 2x is positive, so plus 5x. And here's our 2, which we just copy. And we're done.
Awesome. Simplified as much as possible.
It is.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Miss S.
Thank you. And we have a part B at some point.
Yes, we can have a look at that maybe in another video.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a nice one.
All right, bye.
Bye.